Are you tired of soggy, frozen pizzas or waiting forever for your oven to preheat? This Presto Pizzazz Plus rotating oven is here to revolutionize your kitchen game. This innovative countertop appliance promises perfectly baked pizzas, frozen, homemade, or deli style, in minutes, with a rotating tray for even cooking and dual heating elements for customizable results. But does it live up to the hype? In this review, we'll dive deep into its features, benefits, and real-world performance to help you decide if it's the must-have kitchen gadget for you. Spoiler, it's more than just a pizza oven. Why the Presto Pizzazz Plus stands out. The Presto Pizzazz Plus rotating oven isn't your average countertop appliance. Designed for 7 to 12-inch pizzas, it's a versatile powerhouse that bakes everything from frozen chicken nuggets to fresh cinnamon rolls. Its open-air design, energy efficiency, and easy cleanup make it a favorite for busy households, dorm rooms, and small kitchens. Let's explore why this rotating pizza oven is creating buzz among home cooks. Solving common cooking pain points. No more soggy crusts. The rotating tray ensures even baking, eliminating undercooked centers or burnt edges. Faster than traditional ovens, no preheating required. Go from freezer to plate in under 20 minutes. Energy-saving design uses up to 60% less energy than conventional ovens, saving you money on utility bills. Versatile cooking options. Beyond pizza, it handles snacks, sandwiches, and desserts with ease. Space-saving convenience. Compact and lightweight, perfect for small apartments or RVs. Unboxing and first impressions. The Presto Pizzazz Plus arrives in a sleek black finish, exuding modern simplicity. At 1235 watts and 120 volts AC, it's powerful yet compact, fitting neatly on any countertop. The nonstick baking pan feels sturdy, though some users note it requires careful handling to maintain its coating. The intuitive controls, separate dials for top, bottom, or dual heating elements, and a 30-minute timer make it beginner-friendly. Plug it in, and the tray starts rotating instantly, a fun feature that kids and adults alike will love watching. Performance. Real-world testing. To put the Presto Pizzazz Plus to the test, I tried it with a variety of foods: a frozen pepperoni pizza, homemade margarita pizza, chicken nuggets, and refrigerated cinnamon rolls. Here's how it performed. Frozen pizza, 12-inch. Set to dual heating, it cooked a Red Baron pizza in 18 minutes. The crust was crispy and the cheese was perfectly melted. No soggy spots. Homemade pizza. Using a 10-inch fresh dough, I opted for bottom-only heat for 10 minutes, then switched to dual for 8 more. The result? A golden crust and bubbly toppings rivaling pizzeria quality. Chicken nuggets. These cooked in 12 minutes with top-only heat, delivering a crispy exterior without drying out the inside. Cinnamon rolls. Refrigerated dough, baked in 15 minutes, soft and gooey, with no burnt edges. The rotating tray is the star of the show, ensuring every bite is evenly cooked. However, thick crust pizzas may need extra time to crisp up, and greasy foods like sausage can spark if not monitored. Pro tip: use silicone utensils to protect the non-stick pan. Key features and benefits. Rotating tray for even baking. The continuous rotation guarantees uniform heat distribution, eliminating hot spots. Dual heating elements. Independent top and bottom controls let you customize cooking for crispy crusts or melted toppings. Energy efficiency. Saves up to 60% energy compared to conventional ovens, ideal for eco-conscious cooks. 30-minute timer with auto shutoff. Signals when food is done and turns off heating elements for safety. Non-stick removable pan. Easy to clean with a damp sponge and stores compactly in cabinets. Versatile cooking. Perfect for pizzas, frozen snacks, quesadillas, cookies, and more. If you're looking for a high-end artisan pizza oven, this may not hit 900 degrees Fahrenheit like premium models, but for convenience, versatility, and value, it's hard to beat. Pros and cons. Pros: fast cooking with no preheating. Even baking thanks to the rotating tray. Energy efficient and cost-saving. Easy to use and clean. Versatile for multiple foods. Cons: non-stick pan requires careful handling to avoid scratches. Not ideal for greasy foods due to potential sparking. Limited to 12-inch pizzas or smaller. Final verdict: worth the hype. The Presto Pizzazz Plus rotating oven delivers on its promise of fast, even and delicious cooking. Its rotating tray, dual heating elements, and energy efficiency make it a standout for pizza nights and snack sessions. While it's not perfect for gourmet chefs or greasy foods, its convenience and versatility earn it a solid 4.5 out of 5 stars. Whether you're a busy parent, student, or pizza enthusiast, this gadget will elevate your kitchen game. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.